Hi, traders 1018. Welcome. Good morning. Hi, good morning, Shobit. So this is the kind of fall I was talking about. Close to 1,200 points fall has happened in 2 days. Exactly what we predicted, right? So this is going to be pretty interesting because the whole world market was bullish, and we started with 800 points fall. So it's going to be pretty big thing coming up. Hi, Dave. Good morning. Let's see how the market responds here. Uh, Absolutely. So we are seeing some quick actions happening there. Pretty terrific moves all around. And trust me, guys, if the market once again goes down, hi, very good morning, consistent. Welcome. Once again, if it goes below 41K and then, breaks this T7, it will continue to create a lot of trouble. Lot of trouble. So let's see. It's going down pretty fast. Hi, Ganesh. Welcome. Very good morning. Mhm. So, anyone got any trade already? It's a pretty big fall coming up. Yeah, pretty big fall. Awesome. Premiums are too high. Okay, let's break it down. Just a moment. I have to follow my positions a bit. Just give me a while. Mhm. You can see that Nifty is going, Bank Nifty is going crazy, and just got to. Yeah, it's bursting and going like anything. Uh, Pretty good. Wow, they have 70K profit. You were one sided, is it? You have taken one sided position in the morning. Can you please suggest three best indicators? See, must have indicators are obviously, it, you need to define what sort of player you are. Are you a positional player? Are you going to be a, um, are you mm, going to do scalping, or you want to play at the monthly expiries and then play it really long? What you want to do depends on that. It is defined. But right now, if you ask me, wow, this is just the first candle, and look at the second candle being forming. Wow, this is super crazy. Very good morning, Raina. So, if you ask me some indicators, EMAs, try different EMAs like 9, 20, 50, 200. So, just see how they play. That is one. Second, you should also consider uh, volume, RSI, then VWAP for sure is one. Right, these are some good indicators. Hi, very good morning. Shobit says that premiums are high. That's the thing. When market falls, the premium will appreciate like this. It's quite normal. So we are in for another 800 points fall. That's pending. Like I said on Wednesday, once this level is broken, we can expect 40K, and you can see that already like close to what 800 points fall has happened, and I am of the hope that it should touch 40K soon. Look at the kind of volatility, guys. Really crazy, crazy volatility. Premiums are just jumping like anything. Premiums are just moving like 10 points, 15 points like that. Hi, Magiga, welcome. Yeah, you took only PE. That's very good. So there is a gap of 250 points on October 20th, which is not filled. Your view on this? If there is any gap from the past, which is like more than 50 or 60 points, say 70 points, it should be filled at some time, and definitely that's going to be filled. Where at what levels do you see this gap? I am just tracking my position, so just give me a moment. So I'm going to just edit the order. Sold. Awesome. All right. I was just closing some positions, but yeah, let's get back. So October 20th, right? You said October 20th. Let's go to days candle. Maybe hourly candle is good, and then go to October. Yeah, October 20th. There is a gap for sure. This gap was already filled now, right? 41. Yeah, this gap is already filled. Now the next gap is here. That is 40,000. So this should be definitely filled. This one should also be filled. So you can see the market, filling this gap. That's why I also said, it should touch 40K, right? Although I didn't keep all the gaps in my mind, but I know that when I did the analysis, I have counted all that and then drew these zones. And these zones, are extremely uh, active zones from the past. So you should expect some sort of market reaching these levels pretty soon. So definitely that's a point to keep in mind. We are having a strong fall, and it's continuing to just go down. Probably taking some support at this level, 870 to 950 levels. That's where the market is showing some sort of support, but it's not a big support. It should be broken in some time. uh, just it could be buy on sorry, sell on rise opportunities. I would like to view it that way. So the market will try to recover, and because if everybody knows that it's going to go down, then people will obviously be on the PE side, right? So they will take some moves upside and then make it like Yeah, this is most expected. So this will be like a sell on rise opportunity, right? This is a good sell on rise opportunity. You should be able to capture something. Wait, I am taking some positions. Mhm. The premiums are just moving like 20 points are moving just like that. It's pretty scary, right? Just like that, the premiums are jumping like 10 points. With each move, I'm seeing that the premiums are jumping 10 points. Pretty, pretty much going crazy. Can we still buy P and what strike? You should go into the ITM strikes, no doubt about that. But remember one thing, play in the month end expiry. Because of high volatility, it can be a very, very risky game if you're playing in current week expiry. So go for next week expiry. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Good, okay. Mhm. Yeah, of course, we can expect some great moves. So Bhaskar is asking, can you tell me your view on Indalco for short term? Okay, let's check that out. Mhm. Hmm. Indalco is bullish. Only thing that we have to wait and see is that it should clear this level. Um, Let me just draw a line. This will act as a strong resistance. That is 631. That will be the big. I'm talking about short term, right? So there will be another second level of target on the higher side. This and so what happened is that had made uh, Hindalco had made a rally and then it took a retracement and then it's just continuing. So this could be a big defining moment. Like it can break higher and then go further. Considering that the market is falling, I don't know how Indalco reacts to that market fall. So your next level of buy, this is a good buy area. So this will be good buy. This will be first target and this will be second target and so on. You can also, if you want more targets on the higher side, then I would say this as another target. In between, you want more targets, I can give you this. So this will be target 1, 2 and 3. On the downside you will have a target of, yeah, this one passes through, correct. So just giving you three targets because the market is going to be extremely volatile and you need to be prepared, right? Like, so these are the three targets on the higher side and lower side. A very likely scenario is that the moment it clears off this level, you should see more up moves happening. But to clear this level and make a new eye is going to be the challenge. Once it makes new eye, then it should go on to climb higher and higher. But if it has to fall, then there is a very big risk of it falling to, like say we are entering into some sort of recession mode. You can find it coming to this levels as well. So that's the kind of moves that you can expect. But anyway, this is all like in days candle. Pretty long scenario. I'm just giving you a quick overview. That's it. Yeah, let's go with this. And maybe if you want, you can take a screenshot of it. That should be good. Let's check Bank Nifty. Let's check what happened to India VIX. It's very interesting. Um, there has been a good fall, and I think it should have reached 16 plus. 16, yeah, wonderful. See, can you still buy PE? Raina, I would suggest that, take, see, even I know it's going to fall, but I'm not taking just one directional PE position. It's always going to be burning our money. I am willing to lose on my profits, but I wanted to really be absolutely sure, right? Like, say that there is a 400-point recovery, then if you're just having a PE position, you will be done. Your capital will be done. So, what's most important here is to take a straddle of month end position and keep adjusting it. Book some 4,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees, exit the trade, take fresh positions, keep adjusting it. So that's exactly what we are supposed to do. Okay, don't get into one-sided PE position and all. That's not really advisable because it is a 800 points fall. And say that the market recovers by 250, 300 points. If you're on the PE side, it will happen in just 1 second, right? Like how the market had fallen in no time. Similarly, if it recovers like in no time, then your PE will be at a big loss, and PE premiums will be much higher because of the fall. And now, if it recovers, say you got something at 500, it will be trading at 350 in no time. So you will go on averaging and then losing big money. My suggestion is that take a straddle, play it out very safe, go both the sides, and then keep adjusting your positions. Like book some 3,000 rupees, 4,000 rupees, exit. Initiate a fresh straddle. Go for it, initiate, and then exit. So like you need to initiate, exit. That's what you need to do. So whenever you see some sort of rise happening, probably you can initiate very small quantities and then trail it. That's how you should maximize your opportunities. All the premiums have got really appreciated very well. It's pretty good fall happening there. Right, let's shift to Bank Nifty now. Oh, not Bank Nifty. Nifty. Mm, oops. Oops. Yeah, good. So Nifty is here, Bank Nifty is here, and oh my God, Bank Nifty. I have taken wrong. Okay, Bank Nifty here, and by first, what's happening here? One second. Huh. Right. Okay. Good. So Nifty is ready to Bank Nifty is ready to make another set of down move. Let's see. Can you expect a reversal after 10:30? No. Reversals are quite unlikely in this sort of fall. Don't expect any reversals. Probably some retracement will be there. Retracement is different from reversal. When we say retracement, it had fallen. It wants to take some break and then fall again. So it will come back to some under 200 points. It will climb up and then it will continue to fall down. So that is a retracement. Reversal is that again if it goes back, all the way higher, then that's a uh, that is a reversal. So we'll have to wait and see. For me, if you ask, this is going to go down further, but then nothing is certain in market, right? Like you have to be very careful and watch. Mitra work says that because some hidden divergence. I didn't get your question, Mitra works. Yeah, that's exactly the point. I am saying that do not enter into PE side alone. I am repeating it again and again. Do not enter onto the PE side as a single side trade. You can comfortably initiate certain straddles, right? Maybe you wanted to go for month end expiry, the premiums are higher, I know that, but you still have great chances because if you have initiated say 41,000 CE and PE of month end expiry, they are trading at 750 rupees both. So you will buy them, and then if the market is moving some 400 points on either side today, you will be making money, right? You will be making good money. It need not have to go down. It can even comfortably go up. That's fine, but still you'll be making money. So, Rose, this is no secret. I was saying this fall is going to come since December mid. Since December mid, I was expecting this fall. And last Friday, I clearly posted in my video that it's going to be a massive fall. I was saying to be conservative, I said from this juncture, market was at 42,700. Then I said from this place, market is going to make 2,000 points move. That's exactly what I was saying. And I could have also very well went and said that it's going to be on the downside. I said probably it will be on the downside. The reason is, see, the market, and if you understand how it should go, you see, we have been making some terrific up moves from June onwards, right? I will show you. From June onwards, the market rallied like anything. It kept on going higher and higher and higher, and there was a small retracement, and then it kept on going higher and higher and higher, and then it started to consolidate. Now, what triggered this move? Why the market should go up? See, now you are asking why the market is falling, but why the market moved first of all? Do you have any clarity why it moved at first place? GDP is not great. Inflation rates are not great. India is not doing exceptionally well than the market. Yes, it is fine. It is all like we are self-sustained. We are doing many things, but that's not enough, right, for the market to go higher and higher for no reasons. But it kept on going, and we didn't ask why it's going up. But when it is coming down, we are asking why, right? Now, because of this long move, VIX had already come to like it took a break and then it reached here. Then you see, VIX had come from 25, 26 levels to 13, which means market is so extremely bullish. When it is extremely bullish, everybody is wanting to buy. Then there are no sellers in the market, right? And that's why the market started to consolidate for a very long time. It was consolidating for quite a long time. Since when? 2nd of December, it was consolidating. Then I said that it has to break out at some point, and this is where you can expect some sort of 2,000 points move. But if 2,000 points move means if it reaches 46K and all, then VIX is going to fall further. Like it will become 11, and that's very scary because there will be some 4,000 points fall and all will happen in future. So I said on Friday video that it is going to break down. Very likely it is going to break down. Just in 2 days' time, it broke, and this is a very good thing because if market is going on rallying like this, a lot of people will lose money. Now, you also stand a chance to win big time now, right? Like this sort of fall is helping small time people to recover some losses. Only thing is that you need to be patient and get to the right side of the trade, get into the right extremely good side of the trade you should enter. No, maybe all are profit booking here. Yeah, possibly they could book some profits because there is a fall. Some consolidation will happen. But there is another. I have my view. Another 300 points of fall is there. 250 to 300 points of fall is there at least. That is, uh, if there is no reversal, then definitely there is going to be trend continuation. Either of it is going to happen. Either it's going to recover all, or it's going to go down full. My view is that 90 percentage of the times it should go down further. So let's see. Mhm. Yeah, this 870 ranges is offering some good support. Mhm. Yeah. Now market is showing some sort of break on the downside. You see it has broken 850 and going down. That's a good sign. You can expect it to like now fall further. Oh, stream is buffering every 10 seconds. Anyone else faces the same issue, or is it only consistent is feeling that? Could someone confirm? Is it buffering too much? It broke. It broke. Maybe if we should switch to 5 minutes candle, you will be able to see a lot more details. Right? It's breaking the low. Oof. Falling for fake news on Adani. Yeah, I've refreshed the stream. Just check if it's working fine now. Hi Jayesh, welcome. Could you guys confirm if it's like working fine? Mhm. Oh. Can one of you confirm if you're able to hear my message? Sorry about that. I don't know really what went wrong. Stream is issue, facing a great trouble. Mm. Is there something that I could do to fix this? Any suggestions, guys? Like, should I wait a moment? So, my download speed and upload speed are about 150 Mbps. It's really, really massive. Like the best. Still, it's buffering. It should be the site issue most likely. Maybe, or maybe I need to clear my cache or something. Velraj, please don't carry deep OTMs. 39,500 PE. If you're carrying, let's see how much it is for. Let's see what is the price of 39,500. Trade month end expiry 39,500. 400 rupees. It is almost like 400 rupees. If you want to take chance and go full throttle, you can take it. Actually, not a bad idea. Only thing is that if it reverses and then you okay to are you okay to lose that money, then you can go for it. It is worth the risk, because 1,000 points fall, you will really make some good money. When to exit? Oh, you are already carrying. You're already carrying. What price you got and what is it trading right now? Well, Raj, may talk to service provider. You may send technicians to check. See, I checked my internet. I just checked my internet speed. It's at 150, 160 Mbps. Really, it's a top class speed. Speed is not an issue with the internet. I think it is with the server, TradingView server. There is some sort of glitch. Yeah, you're almost in 5K profit now. My suggestion is, Selvaraj, what you can do is, um, you can keep a 15 points stop loss and keep trailing it. Okay, trail it by 15 points, 15 points, and if it gets executed, shift to 39,000 PE. Likewise, you can shift it and then adjust so that you don't lose much when the market recovers. Always stay with the premium of what you entered. Like 350 was what you bought, then you should stay with 350 itself. I think it's going to make new lows. The candles are opening lower and lower. It's pretty much falling. It's due to video player. Maybe I will remove. And now it's fine. Okay. Thanks, Jaish. Oof. So it's falling. It's falling pretty fast. Mm. The moment it clears 60, 40, 4600, you should see another 100 points, 150 points fall. So just wait for it. Another 10 points, if it falls, then you should expect another good fall. And how much points market has fallen? Already 1,000 points, guys. 1,000 points it has fallen. Wow, crazy. This is really crazy. So it's showing some strong strength. Yeah, I think a video is not buffering any further, right? Like it's going on smooth. Is it working fine now? I see. What I can do is to. showing some sort of move. It's some good jump recovery. I think this can be a good opportunity for buying PE positions, I would say. So yeah, let's see. Let's see. These are some good opportunities. All right, what I can do is I'll take a 5-10 minutes break and then be back. Only to I've been sitting for a long time and it's hurting my back. Maybe another some 5 to 10 minutes break, then I should be back. Right? Just give me some time, guys. Mhm. Okay, I'm back. Yes, I do trade live. I come almost every day, no breaks, unless otherwise there are other commitments. I should be online all the time, so shouldn't be a problem. Let's check what market is planning to do. It's showing some signs of recovery, or possibly that could be a breath. Like, let's check it out, right? Um, Yeah, retracement tool is good. It had made this low here, and then this was the gap, right? So till here. Now, if you see, 41,000 is where the maximum that it can, I mean, it can recover up to 41,000, and then it can come down again. Let's see what they plan to do, whether they are going to uh, use this as a breathe and then go down further, or they're trying to pull it up. Let's explore that. But having said, now we have to also watch one more thing. How many points market is down? 800 points. And put premiums will be eroding faster because of this recovery. But see it as some sort of sell on rise opportunity. I think the market should continue to go further down. Only it is a pause it's taking. RSI is back to 34, which is a good thing because you need RSI to be at a higher level for trends to continue downwards. So this is good. Let's see. Mhm. Something called scalping experiment. See, Bhargav, is it good to enter into PE now? If you have made some profits, probably you can take one lot to, uh, take a chance. Maybe you want to take one lot here, depending upon your capital. Very small risk that you want to take, it will be nicely rewarded. Any rise, you can, try to initiate some PE position. So this is a good rise, and why not? Yeah, the overall trend is down, and from here, if it has to recover, it has to recover. That's why I suggest straddle. But if you have less capital and you wanted to take some risk and then see how it pays off, possibly month end strikes, you can go and then initiate a PE position, fresh PE positions. That's quite possible. Right. Okay. Let's check it out. So although market has shown some sort of recovery, it is only a breath. See, now the RSI is back to 38, 39. That's exactly what they are doing. They are cooling off the RSI so that they can take this further down. So you can expect the market to now go down. These are good spots to try PE positions. Maybe try very small quantities. Don't take aggressive. If you're already in profits, just enjoy the premium appreciation. Um, so let's just mute a few things here. All right. Mhm. Right. So this is the game now. Let's see. I'm using very small quantities, like 100 quantities I bought when the market rate raised higher. I took 100 quantities at 818, and I placed an order at 850. Like 3,000 points, 3,000 rupees. I am able to get with only four lots, right? Uh, so likewise, you can take some small trades and then capture. That's the smartest thing to do. Don't think of seeing in one position giving you 1 lakh. That and all is not very good for your long term. You take no small trades, book some 3,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees, gain confidence. When you make 50 trades and then you are able to like take each trade some 1,000 rupees, 1,500 rupees, you are making 50K. That is more sustained way of building your portfolio. I would strongly advise people taking multiple trades and ending it successfully to gain more confidence. Yeah, now that's sold off. So my yeah, you see what happened now. Just one lot gave me 3,200 rupees. That's how you should build confidence in your trades. Mhm. So I hope that people who took PE positions will be suitably rewarded. You guys have hope you guys have taken some positions and made some money. Uh, Hi Leo, very good morning. Very good morning, Leo. This is the kind of fall we can expect more fall. No doubts about that. Okay, for knowledge sake, which what PE strike is good? Is 41,900 good? I would say if you're going for 41,900, you can very well take 40. I mean 41,900. I think you mean 4,900. I suggest you to take 41,000 PE instead of 40,900, because round number figures will appreciate faster than you know some strange odd numbers. So you go for round strikes like 42k, 41k, 40,500. These are the strikes that will be most active strikes. So you should be checking on 41,000 PE than anything else. Now you see this fall. That's the reason I gave you a put option at this level. I exactly took here one 100 quantities I took, and then I booked it somewhere here. It gave me 32 points. So 3,200 rupees was booked. 40 kpe 40 kpe is OTM, right? Market is trading above 40,000. If you are taking 40 kpe, which is OTM, it will not appreciate much. If you want to really study, take 41k PE and then study how it reacts to the price movements. Like if it is falling 100 points, do one thing. You add for in a paper trade, you add both 40k as well as 41k. One lot you add at the same time you execute it and see what sort of returns you get for both the strikes. Your 41k will give you at least 5 times more returns than 40k. That's the power of ITM strikes. Okay, so you should be taking in the money trades. Very good morning, Tulsi Ram ji. Welcome. Yeah, this is the kind of range play happening now. Some sort of consolidation. Good thing RSI is at 34, 35. It's not like 18, 16. When the first time it fell a couple of days back, like this, RSI went to 14, 15. Okay, which is because market was not prepared for such moves. Since it is second day of the fall, now RSI is trading comfortably at 34, which means market has accepted these falls now. And when market is as accepted, you should see some terrific moves happening. Either side, it will be a good move. So that's really good news for option buyers. If you're on the right side of the trade, these are the seasons that will give you perfect returns. Like you can make most out of it. See, we drew this line saying that this will act as support, and as it went higher, it took a support here. But these are no supports, no big supports. Should be broken in no time. Um, but the question is, will it make a new low? That's the big question. Will it make a new low? It made a low of 604. Can it break and then go further down? That's the question. I think market is ready to take the next dip. So usually we do a 15 minutes candle. Why are we watching in a 5 minutes time frame? Reason is in the past market was stuck in a very dull zone. The maximum move that could happen was 200 points to 300 points or maximum 450 points. That's it. And then 15 minutes candle was making sense. Since now market is moving some every candle there is some 100 points move, 150 points move. It's better we shift to 5 minutes time frame to capture and observe more details, more information, more details that we have. We can take better decisions, right? Supposedly if I had taken this in a 15 minutes now, the same thing, it's giving me some details, no doubt about it. But then look at this. It's it's giving me far more information. Like this is a almost a Marbosa candle, and this is another candle, and then it's going consistently. It's not even crossing the levels, right? This is the detail I wanted. Like it shows signs of great falls to come. So the more smaller time frame we go, we will get more details. So this is good, and very well it has come down to 600 zones again. And, that means we have more falls today. Ooh, 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 ooh. See, one thing I will tell you guys, I have taken both the CE position and PE position at the same time as a straddle I initiated. Now, it's giving me a net profit of 25k. Okay. But if I had taken only PE position, I would have been in a profit of 80,000. Okay. But now people might be thinking, why didn't I take just PE, and why I took both? Because for me, capital protection is more important than making big money, because I have to protect my capital. My risk is very well defined. I'm not going to lose my entire capital if I'm one sided. Say I initiated some PE position here, with this jump, I'm done. My capital would have reduced by at least 20 percentage, right? Now, when it went here, my profits had come down from 27k, it became 16k. That's all. And then I took some sort of position, and then now it is back to 28k, something like that. So I'm I'm limiting my losses drastically by initiating a straddle. So that's the reason I am playing both the sides. Okay, and I know how to capture those points, the points that I'm losing on CE. I have various strategies to capture that. That's why you should always look for ways to initiate positions that gives you optimal profit and minimum no some levels of calculated risk. So that's my suggestion. Don't go blinded because somebody posts that I made 50k, I made 1 lakh, I made 4.5 lakhs. Don't get pumped up by that. You don't have that capital with you. You don't have that sort of entry. Somebody got that conviction that they can go aggressive at that level and took position. They are playing a different game. You should know your game. That's where the market secret is. All right, let's check. So it's taking some levels of support there, and the candle is trying to turn green. For example, you might be wondering how I am going to tackle those losses, correct? The losses that comes from CE side. Anyone is interested in knowing how I manage those? I will share that. Uh, So if you are wondering how I am, say I have taken a 41,000 CE and PE, both 41,000 CE and PE I have taken. Now that 41,000 CE is giving me loss, right? Now how I am tackling that? I have written a 42,000 call of current week, very aggressive quantities. 300 quantities I have written. Okay, so that is trading at 160 rupees, and 300 quantities I have written, right? So if I am writing that, what will happen? Let's say market recovers 500 points. My writing position will be in loss, but my CE position will give me the profit. Correct? So, and this is still second expiry. In another 4 days, will it climb 1,200 rupees? I don't think so. Even if it does, yes, my call is going to give me the profits. So in every side I am managing, and when the market moves higher, I will be writing the put side as well. So what happens is I'll be writing and adjusting the premium in such a way. Uh, okay, I have taken a month end position. Month end position, what is the value? 750, 750, 1500 rupees I have invested. 1500 points I have invested. Now, this week I am able to capture 200 points. So my requirement is reducing from 1500 points to 1300 points. Plus, the market is moving, says from 500 points from here, then one of the straddle will give me profit. So that will automatically get adjusted. Then the week expires, I collect the 200 rupees. Next week expiry opens, I write another 200 300 points of value. So 4 weeks, I will set it as a 4 week target and write positions in order to capture those 1500 points. It's a very very beautiful artwork. It comes with experience, but you can very well do that. That's why I'm confidently writing. I have taken 500 quantities both sides. Okay, so definitely not for all, but you should know how to do the adjustments. That's the art. Okay, so in, you should get into straddle knowing only adjustments. But if you don't know what straddle is, uh, with buying also you can do adjustments, but little complicated. If one day market doesn't move, you will end up in big losses. So that's why I am little hesitant to propose any sort of strategies without knowing your capital, your risk appetite. Nothing I know, right? So I'm just giving you broader sense of it. Maybe if you're able to capture some essence of it and do something around it, that's great. You can do a paper trading at least and see the results, because this is just the beginning. And these sort of moves will happen for next 4 to 6 months. Don't worry about it. So use this as warm up match. We have gone to England for a long series. Okay, let's assume that there are about 5 test matches and 7 ODIs and 5 T20s. So India is getting into some sort of warm up match. That sort of scenario it is. Think of it like that one scenario. See this today and next couple of days as a warm up match. Initiate some straddle in paper trading, work it around and see if it is profitable. Then go for real time trading. Okay. Since I have done this like 2 3 years, I know I don't have to wait and do that. I can straight away jump into that, because from my past experience, I know how to adjust these positions. So try it out. It's a very long series because 5 months you will be seeing this sort of moves. Upside some 500 points, downside some 1200 points, again upside some 800 points. All these things are going to happen. Yes, correct, Raina Ravind. You are right. So this is only right now it is appreciating very slowly, but 41K is appreciating faster, right? But when the market moves 100 points down quickly, you see that 41K will be jumping. Equally, it will jump because it is already an ITM. For 100 points, you will get about 70 points. But that 40K PE for 100 points will give you only about 10 points or something like that. You will get about bare minimum 5 times of returns you will get. Okay, so don't go for OTMs are cheaper, but rewards are also cheaper. Okay, so let's check the position. Good, it's making. See, the market stayed, and then my writing position is giving me 7,000 rupees profit. Right, that's exactly what I was talking about. Even if the market stays in the same place, my writing of CE position is giving me 7,000 rupees already. Okay, you might be asking, sir, you have taken 500 quantities of buy, but why write only 300 quantities? Just in case if market gives some sort of sharp recovery, market reaches here, let's say, then I will take another 200 200 quantities. I don't want to invest all my writing in one place. I want to diversify it and then introduce it stage by stage. That's the reason. Hmm. Mhm. So how far it is away from the low? 100 points, exactly 100 points. Once it breaks, uh, where can we expect it to go next? Let's find out. 5 minutes, no, I will change it to 15 minutes. Hmm, what is this? 600, then 530, and this is the gap. 450 levels, you have a gap. So we can expect, if that low is broken, I'll tell you where you can expect the market to come. You can expect it to fill this gap. Oh, okay. Okay, let me just make it. Mhm. Eastern right. Okay. You can expect it to fill this gap. So you see here, there is a gap, right? These gaps will be the targets. Easy to predict. I'm not even saying 500. I'm saying this is the level 450 to 435 you can expect if it breaks the low. So if this level is broken, you can expect it to reach here. Now with that context, let's set in with 5 minutes time frame and zoom in. Yeah. So just wait for the fall, and once it breaks this, my target is this. So if anybody wants, I'll write it down here. Right. So this is what the thing is. I'm putting it here so that later you can refer to it. And you know why I love peas more? Because they can be dormant for 8 months. They can be very dormant for 8 months, but one day is good enough for them to become like monster. They will just they'll just jump. 100 points is nothing for them. You will not see C will be probably in terms of some sort of hero zero games. You would have seen something trading at 18 rupees, jumping to 30, jumping to 50, and then 80, and then going to 150 also. But with P, it's not like that. With P, it can be trading at 18. Next jump will be at 90, and next jump will be at 200. It can happen that fast. So P's are monsters. So that's why I'm saying don't worry about straddle losses. The straddle losses are nothing. You can easily manage them. Let's check if there are. Yeah, you are welcome, Raina Arvind. So, what are they trying to do? Let's figure that out. So, they are cooling off the RSI because the RSI has again gone down to 30 and something. Now they are trying to cool it down. Let's just Improvise it. Improvise. Yeah, they are improvising the RSI because at this juncture it went to 14. You see this? It went to 14. It's too small probably. I'll zoom in to show you this value. You see on the right side showing 13.88. Market went to 13.88. From there it has cooled down and then it come to 32, which is a good RSI for more continued fall. Some recovery happening. Oof, VIX is at 16.27. Just like that, it's climbing up. So, indicating extremely high volatile days are ahead. You can expect some serious moves coming up, guys. Get ready for it. Really get ready for it. It's going to be two big moves. 60 more points, then you can expect a big fall. Yeah, 40 more to go. Pretty interesting. Let's see. Yeah, it's happening much faster now. They are not allowing. They are bears or the bulls are trying to fight here to pull it up, but then they will get trapped. Badly, they will get trapped if they are trying to drag too many times, and then still if they make newer lows at one time, one point there will be one single 200 points candle coming. So I don't think bears will give up because they have been hammered for several months. Bears have lost their money. Now it's their chance. They will not give it up just like that. They will hit bears will hit hard. And what's interesting to see, Look at the long wicks at the top, right? There is one long candle wick here, then there is another wick here, and look at the rejections here and then here. So all these long spikes are called rejections. They have been rejected at the top. So clearly saying that bulls are being targeted very badly. If bulls have to stand a chance, they should quickly make this sort of giant green candles and then continue to go higher and higher. So that much of money has to be pumped in. Let's see who wins. It's very unclear this time. For now, bears are in control, no doubts about that. These the green candle should cross this level and then continue to go higher faster. Otherwise, bulls are done for the day. Already they are done, but it's more like finalizing. 2.5 minutes left in this candle. Mhm. So there can be a move happening at 11:30. That is a possible scenario in another 15 minutes. Why I say that is usually these moves happen at 12 o'clock, but market is changing the game every now and then. Nowadays, I am seeing a lot of actions happening around 11:30. So there is a likely possible, mm, actions happening around 11:30. In 15 minutes, we can expect some terrific moves. If we miss that, then 12:30, most likely. So Nifty 50, bull or bear update. Okay, PM is asking PE side. Of course, one should stay only on the PE side. If you're going to be directional, then you should be only on the PE side. But I wouldn't suggest that. I said you should initiate straddles provided you know the adjustments. If you don't know the adjustments, wait for the market to move higher and then initiate a PE position. Sell on rise. Right. So let's see the put. Sorry, Nifty. Yeah, Nifty is also clearly broken. It's set to make a low, and then I'm given a target already of 17,400. So it should go to 17,400. Those of you who have seen the video yesterday, my video yesterday, I clearly said that once this level is taken down, you should see Nifty reaching 17,400 anytime. That's what I have told. Last night I have posted it. Do check that video. Everything very clearly explained in that video itself. I'm repeating myself now. Here again, if it breaks, I said 40,000 is the target. So it's all in sync with what we have predicted, going as per the plan. The bulls are really getting trapped. I can see that they are going on to aggressively buy and average, but it is only for some time. Now, what happened to RSI? 34.5, because this big giant candle itself is taken down. Yeah, they are showing some momentum. Let's see. No, it's 700 itself, it's getting rejected. Wow, look at the rejection length here. So brilliant. Such a strong rejections happening. I will give you some clue here. Now watch this rejections. These are rejections, clearly rejections. Hey guys, I also wanted to share something with you. I don't know if it is the Trading View Awards or some of the friends here gifted. I don't know. They have given me a premium membership as gift. So really, thank you so much all. Because whether if, even if it is from the Trading View, without your support and you joining the stream and asking the right questions, and then actively challenging and then participating, that's the real motivation. So whichever be the case, whoever has given, or if it is Trading View Award, whatever it is, I truly appreciate that kind of support from you all. Thanks so much. Just thought of sharing with you all. Premium membership was something that I really wanted to have it. Uh, yeah, it happened finally. So many thanks. Oh, that's why we are not seeing Nifty. Okay, I actually opened another tab and kept it. So here it is. Sorry, guys. I thought I am sharing that screen. Just now I saw. Yeah. Hmm. Looking for a good PE entry? You already had that entry, my friend. Here you see, this was a good entry. Whenever market is entering into the rejection zone, you could have entered. But yeah, that was the zone you should have tried. Thanks a lot, Kaushik. Really, you have been one of the constant supporters, joining all, everywhere and cheering up. So thanks a lot for your continued support as well, Kaushik. Okay, Nifty 50 wanted the chart to be much bigger. All right, sure, let's get in. Yeah, I think this should be good picture. Yeah. Ooh, look at that, guys. It's making some down moves. Bank Nifty is like showing some aggression now. I think maybe a candle reduction would be better to keep an eye. Yeah, let's check the comments. Quality that is getting rewarded. Thanks to both. Yeah, I think uh, I, in my honest view, I've been trying to give my best to the viewers. So from my side, I know I am giving my 100 percentage. So I'm happy with that fact, and the more merrier if it's getting rewarded as well. So yeah, also explain it. Oh, you want me to explain the fifth? Okay, maybe I explained in another chart, so you wouldn't have seen that. See, this is the buy zone at 17,400 to 17,320 level. This 80 points range is where you will find some support. Until then, there is no support left here. The market should have a free fall. Like how this free fall had happened, you can expect such free falls happening here as well. And that is about another 400 points away. So Nifty can further go down to 17,400 levels once Bank Nifty breaches the low and then goes down to say 40,000 levels. You can expect this to touch here. Both will be going in sync because Bank Nifty is a very major power for Nifty. So once the Nifty goes to 40K level, you can expect it to reach 17,400. All I'm saying is that the chances of it to happen today itself is about 60 percentage. Okay, the chances of this fall to happen today itself is about 60 percentage. um, Next 1 hour will decide. Okay, next 1 hour we will get a clue whether it's going to go here or no. That we will get to know. If this happens on Bank Nifty, Nifty will also follow the suit. It should make some good fall. Another about 100 points it should drag down. Nifty touching this today is a very big task, very, very Himalayan task. But if that happens, it means that we are in for a really, really bad phase ahead. We can expect more 1,000 rupee falls coming in coming days. Yeah, yes, Vijay, too much fight is happening. Uh, because this is, like I said, on Wednesday, they will not try to give a clear close below this because once it closes, I said there is going to be another 1,000 points fall, and then they recovered it, giving a cunning close. Why I say cunning, it's because see, for somebody who has fallen all this while and then had come down, breaking this is not a problem at all. But what it did exactly, you see, it came till here, it didn't even cross it, and then it reversed, saying that bulls are under control like that. But next day, what they did, they opened with a massive breakdown, and then it breached all the levels and gone. It's gone now, right? So this is what is a very scary picture. And the last rung of support is at 40K, and if that's broken, where you can expect the market to go, sorry, 40K, right? 40K, if that's broken, you can expect the market to go to, oof, see that, guys, 37,700. That's the next level of support. So that's how many points? 3,000 points of fall is pending. If 40,000 is broken, then you can expect another 2,300 points fall. That's why wait and play for confirmation. Maybe if you're really patient enough, you have good discipline, you will be able to make up all the losses you made in 1 year. In next 2 months itself, you will be able to make all the recover all the losses. That sort of potential you have. But do we have that sort of patience to find the right entries is the big question. Okay, so let's see. I'm trying my best to make most of this situation. Usually, I get super excited and then enter at wrong places. Probably, I would have earned 50,000 if I entered in a right position, but then I would have entered a little earlier and then made only say 12,000, 14,000 like that. I don't want to do that. Although predictions are correct, entries has to be correct. No, that's all matters. So now you see why this fight is happening here. Like Vijay was saying, so much of fight is happening here. The reason is it's again at a critical zone, breaking which will take it 800 points as first step, and breaking which will take another 2,300 points as further down. It's a big thing. So of course they have to fight. If they don't fight here, then you are giving full control to the bears. So they fight at this zone, but anyway, it will be broken and taken down. Only good thing is that bulls for the bulls is there is a financial budget planning happening, and that can boost. And if it is really good, then you can see some upside rally. Otherwise, it's done. Second, if the results are bad, already this is long due. If results are bad, I'm expecting a very big correction coming. Maybe close to 5,000, 6,000 points of correction we can expect. Okay, and it will look very silly when I say this, but when it actually happens and then you go back and check this video, yeah, this is right. Like that it will look like. uh, so right now when I say 5,000 points and all, it will look like some stupid suggestion, but it was very much on cards. It won't happen in February itself. Most likely, it will happen in a staged manner. Like they will fall 1,000 points, recover 400 points, 500 points, again fall 1,000 points. Next day, they will recover 600 points. Net to net, if you see, they would have dragged some 6,000 points in matter of 2 to 3 months. Sorry, Vijay, you lost even though you took a single direction trend. I think you entered into a consolidation position. You took a position while it is consolidating. That's why you should be in loss. No, even I haven't checked my position where it is. It's staying there. That's the beauty of writing some positions. It just ensures that you don't lose much. Okay. You entered during consolidation. Don't worry. If the breakout happens, you should be rewarded for all the for all the patience that you showed. You'll be rewarded. Vijay, I don't know if you have enough capital. My sincere suggestion is that go ahead and then write far OTMs of C, far OTMs like 42,200 C, something like that. You can write. You'll just like that earn money. So I think market has taken the direction. I think by now only uh, whatever losses that you might be in should have reduced. It's making some aggressive. Yeah, it's making some aggressive moves now. Clearly, another 15 points of fall, then we are in for a very big down move. Oof. All right, just give me 1 minute. I wanted to check my baby. She was sleeping. I want to go and say hi to her and be back soon. team. Um, mhm. Yeah. So where is it? Wow, I'm at the right time. So market made a new low of 40,592. Definitely, that's very good encouragement. Let's check the chat. Vijay says that I am new to market, slowly learning with bare minimum capital. Once the confidence came, sure, Vijay, I'll be more than happy to support you in terms of writing and things like that. There are also surprisingly lot of support from the friends. I'm getting exposed to uh, writing pine script from one of our members. People are also saying that how I can minimize my time. So sharing a lot of content of a lot of educational content on how to create powerful YouTube videos and things like that. Overwhelming it is, because suddenly a lot of support from everyone. Really, I feel so blessed and thankful and grateful to one and all. uh, yeah, and with once I get used to that as well, then I should be easily creating more than at least in a week I will try to create some three educational videos. That's some target in my mind. um, so three educational videos means it's really really good, because for example, if I have to talk about RSI, I will not just talk about what is RSI. I will say that bring in some sort of live examples and then show how you can use RSI in your trade setup. What does it really show you? When can be used as a buy, when you should use it as a sell. Uh, like for example, RSI could be trading at 80. Sometimes you need to keep trailing it and then go further, because people say that RSI at 80 is oversold. Sometimes it goes to 90 also, and then there is a terrific move. Why it's happening like that, you should know, right? So those sort of examples, I will try to create some sort of nice content and then post it. It requires a lot of time, just sitting in front of the screen for 8 hours. Then there are a lot of other commitments that again involves screen time, then making daily videos analysis. So close to 12 hours of minimum screen time, plus this video creation means it drains me physically. But I am trying to you know bring some sort of balance. Yeah, sure, Vijay. Let's check the other chat. uh, yeah, thanks, consistent. And Bharat is saying that. So Raina Arvind is saying, if Bank Nifty doesn't fall present level, then what level it can move up? Not much. Possibly it will take small steps. First, it will try to clear this level, this double candles, that is 885 levels. Then it will try to reach 41,000 levels. See, every double patterns that you see, that will be the targets. Here, there is a, if it tries to recover this double pattern here, that will be the target. Second, this double pattern. And third, go to the long candles low, then long candles middle, then long candles top. Likewise, it will gradually only go. It won't go like 1,000 points up and all. That phase is over. Some great fight happening, but clearly bulls are taken over. Trading close to the low is a good sign for further rally. Probably 12 o'clock breakout, maybe. Let's see. Relationship between the cost of PE and the future can predict always. Please explain if possible. Many things I missed out. One moment, sir. I'm having a edge trade expiry 23rd. It's showing loss of 5,600 rupees. How many lots, Bharat? 5,600 rupees loss in how many lots? That is close to 100 points loss. If you have taken 50 quantities, I believe. If you have taken 50 quantities, then 100 points you have lost. Mm, carrying it. I would suggest you let me know what is your capital and how much you have employed into the market, and then I will tell you some writings that can help you reduce the loss. Really, it will help you reduce the loss. You tell me all the details needed for me, then I can suggest you better. Okay, so relationship between cost of PE and future, can't predict always. Ah, okay. Why I say that is, yeah, let's take some example. Okay, maybe I will go ahead and then what should I share here? Hmm. If you open your option chain, you see the CE value and PE value. Okay, I will explain you very simply. Um, Let me open option value, and then I will get into this trade and get into Bank Nifty. Currently, it is trading at 40,585, right? Let's take 40,500 strike for month end expiry. Okay, month end expiry. Please note it, month end expiry. Market is at 40,585, but the C value of 40 40,500 is 1,117, but put is 726. So there is almost a 300 points difference. There is 300 points difference for the same strike between P and C. Now people will be thinking that why it is so. It's because for so long, for many months, C was dominating the market. Market was bullish. So inherently, what happens is the market's natural tendency is to give more value to the premiums for the side that it has sustained in the long term. For last 8 months, market was bullish. Not 8 months, 6 months. Market was bullish, and it was continuously making new high. From 32,000, it reached 44,000, 12,000 points. It climbed. Correct. So there is a sentiment with CE. That's why the premiums are higher. Okay, but look at PE. PE premiums for the same strike is 300 points low for the very same reason. Last 6 months, PE was beaten to death. Now, what will happen is if there is 1,000 points fall, okay, CE will lose faster, very very fast. PE will also appreciate much faster, but the tendency for its appreciation will be like 1:1. Like for 1 rupee fall, you will have 1 rupee increase. But for CE, if the market falls by 1 point, you will in on CE side you will lose 1.5 points. The chance, because it's overinflated, it will happen like that. Okay, so that's why I said it's very difficult to predict PE's value. It might be showing 700, but trust me, if market falls another 1,000 points, this 40,500 will reach from 1,125 to probably 300 rupees. Okay, it will lose 800 points. But this one, 1,000 points, if it falls from 720, it will reach 1,700 rupees. Okay, so premiums of P will appreciate in no time, but C will take several months to get to that level. Okay, that's what I meant when I said premium appreciations will be very slow. Oh god, something I clicked. 1 second. Now, what happened to the market? I haven't checked it. Let's go there. Now they rejected. So this is a clear indication. Now this is not a fight. It's about breaking the low. Okay. So let's understand one thing. The market fell so fast and then made a low, and then for it to break this low, when it comfortably broke, it broke at 10 o'clock. So it took 1 hour to clear that low. Then the fight happened and then it went up. Now it has clearly taken the morning low and formed a new low. Now it is struggling to break the new low, right? So that will be a phased manner fight. That's quite normal. It will try to make a new low and then it will fight. Again, it will make a new low and again it will fight, so on. Now the rejections are done. The rejection paths are done. Now the fight is also over. It's gradual phased downside, so that the RSI is not falling faster. If the RSI suddenly there is one large spike, it reaches here at RSI became 14, then it has to no other option. It has to come back again. Instead of that, what they are doing is they are making new low coming up and then trading for some time, making RSI to go to 34. Again, they are falling it, then bringing it to 20 levels, again consolidating and then taking it. So that's exactly what is happening right now. So those rejections are done. Now it's clearly falling. Yeah, broken. Right. Let's check. Mm, pretty cool. Wow. I'm very happy to have entered at the right time. Uh, I think this is pretty good. This is pretty good. Oof. It's making really good actions are happening. Yeah, it's making new low and going faster. Uh, Hamid Riaz, thank you so much. I'm watching first time and I love your explanation. Most welcome, Riaz. I am glad that you're enjoying it already. I hope you will be a consistent viewer and supporting us through the times to come. So, really happy to have you here. Bharat Kumar says trade details: buy one lot, 17,300 P at 51, sell at 222. Wow. Is this something that you have done or you're planning to do, Bharat? I think you have booked it. Just got one lot at 51 and sold at 222. 170 points you gained. Wow. Wow, look at that fall, guys. This is exactly what we were talking about, right? So, good. Very good. I'm very glad as well. It's giving me some good returns now. P 41,000 P at plus 20 loans. Hmm. I think I should do some adjustments here. It's already giving me some nice return. Um, where's the market? Okay, there. Let me try executing it. Done. Positions. Excellent. Good. I have done some adjustments with my straddle. In fact, I can also book this. One second. This is pretty good. I should book this as well. Mm, or no, I don't think so. I should leave it as it is. Hmm. So Vijay, Ellen Kumar says that booked 200 points from the last day holding straddle. That's brilliant, brilliant, Ellen Kumar. Many congratulations. Wonderful to hear that. Okay, here is another thing I can do. I can exit all these three positions. Wait a second. I can go in for a fresh straddle because markets have moved, right? Like I should. Hmm, very confusing thing. Exit the straddle. Then should I create a fresh one at this level? Let me just check and study. Give me some time, guys. I have to do some study here. Um, correct. So this is true. If I don't have this, then that's not good. Okay. Should have. Right. Okay. Let's wait. I will not decide anything right now. I will just simply observe. I've done one adjustments. So if you're now wondering what sort of adjustments, I will explain it to you. Some 500 quantities I have taken on both the sides straddle, right? So the C was giving me a loss of 80,000 rupees, and the P was giving me a profit of 1,20,000 rupees. So I booked the PE and then initiated a fresh PE position because if it recovers 300, 400 points, that 1,20,000 rupees I have earned, right? Why should I lose that? So I have closed that and taken a new straddle of equal value. For example, The CE which I purchased at 772 is at 600 rupees. So what I did was I took a PE position of 40,000 PE at 560 rupees. Now my total investment has come down, correct? Initially I was investing 1500 points. Now I am investing only now I am investing only 1300 points, of which there is also writing separately. So my risk net to net is only about 1100 points. So I was saying, right, when you initiate a straddle, count the initial straddle. First straddle that I took was 750 and 750. So 1500 points. Now my straddle value with all the profit bookings has got adjusted. It is now 1100 rupees and 1 month to go. If I'm able to recover another 300 points like that, then the entire straddle becomes free of cost for me, right? That will be a massive earning. That's my target. So Vijay says that it's a bloodbath for Adani Group. What happened with Adani Group? I don't know. I didn't follow the news. Any bad news? Wow, what a see. This is the kind of candle I was talking about. Very glad that I booked it because from 1 lakh it would have reduced to 90,000 rupees with this one single candle. But right now, the PE portion which I have taken fresh is giving me a loss of only 4,000 rupees. That's exactly why I kept on adjusting. And my maximum loss was previously at uh, 4 lakhs, 4.5 lakhs projected maximum loss. Now it has come down to 1.62 lakhs and 1 month to go, right? So it's pretty easy to adjust and then get into profits. Already in profits, but to maximize the profits. Maybe, yeah, that's good. All right, just I'll use washroom and be back. Just give me a moment. Right. The market has given a break and it has reached 496, right? So, yeah, very much on cards. This is what I was saying, right? Like 450, you can expect it to reach another 50 points. So, those of you who have taken a straddle or PE position at this stage should have captured some 400 points. Oh, okay. Subodh says that the Dhani group has been accused of stock manipulation. Wow. I just saw the news on my phone. Some 90,000 crores have been gone, something like that. I saw some headlines. Pretty scary. Okay. Became one of the richest man on planet. And now we hear this news. So, right now, how many points it has fallen? 1,100 points fall. Wow. Good. This is really good. Yeah, I mean, I think once you are into this option market, you have already played a different game. To get it back into stocks is almost very difficult. You have seen some 50-point moves in one single candle. You bought something at 100, it became 150. Then going back to equity is like no, very very difficult, almost impossible. Wow, really, really massive breakout, guys. Massive breakout. Uh, Let me just come here. Look at the breakout. Look at the breakout. My target for the day is done here. Possibly, I will see if I wanted to close all the positions. Um I think I should be happy with this. Although it's very tempting, yeah, let me just exit all. That's fine. Let me take some. Let me not invest into anything now. I'm done for the day. Um Whoa. Good. I made 84,000 today, so it's very good returns. So I have just squared off all my positions. With that fall, I squared off everything. Maybe after some time, I will try for more positions. Yeah, the reason why I closed is now we should think of initiating a fresh straddle. Okay, we cannot keep on hanging to one straddle itself. One straddle gave the returns. We should be happy with booking that. Now close that. Give yourself some time. Maybe the market continues to fall another 200, 300 points. Let it fall. Just let it get over. Then we'll come back to this little later. We should define our profits. I i am i am happy because the straddles that I have initiated 2 days back with all the adjustments and so on, it has already given me 84k. That's a good return. I don't want to really spoil that. And keeping that, what will happen is if the market recovers 200 points, my profits will come down very fast because ITM strike it is. My PE straddle has become ITM. If the market recovers 100 points, I'll be losing 100 points on my strike. So I closed everything right now. I can consider initiating a fresh position from here. That's all I can think of. So I'm happy with whatever has happened. Even if it falls another 1,000 points, I don't want that. And look at the thing. We said this is the rejection is happening, and that was around 700 levels. I said we have another 400 points of fall waiting, and it has achieved. So when this is predicted and achieved, you square off, maybe give yourself some 15 minutes time. I am also going to take a fresh position, but I'll take a 15 minutes time because here it might try to come up again. At that time, if I initiate a straddle, I will get the PE positions at a very cheaper price. That's the reason. Still 1,000 rupees loss after recovering 6k. And that's good. You're recovering six from 6k loss. You have come to 1,000. That's pretty good. Maybe you, if you are a single directional, you should start trailing it and exit it. You will find one more opportunity because this is a buy zone now. The here you should expect some retracement. Another some 100 points of recovery might happen. At that time, you can enter and then get it easily. You will get it. Yeah, very good, Anand. Very good. So from 6k loss to 1,000 rupees loss, very good thing. Now you see the market is jumping up, right? That's exactly why we should exit. We exited at the right positions. 25k done. Thanks, sir. Done for the day. Awesome. Awesome. Really lovely to hear that. So while doing adjustments, do booking loss or profit necessary? Um Okay, there is lot. Raina Aravind is saying that he did a paper trade with 40k PE and 41k PE. 40k PE has given him only 260 rupees. 41k has given him 610 rupees. Learned a lot, saw the difference in strike prices also. Well done, Raina. And this is the discipline that will take you places. You are doing a paper trading, although you could have initiated both the things in a live market. You still did the paper trading to observe. That's wonderful quality. Keep it up. So your next question is: while doing adjustments, do booking loss or profit necessary? Yes. See, if you have, I'm not deliberately sharing my screen of profit and loss because you will go crazy. Because yesterday I closed I mean the day before yesterday, one of my position, CE was giving, sorry, PE was giving me 62,000. CE was giving me a loss of 65,000. Okay, I booked CE, I booked PE and initiated a fresh PE. And with erosion and all these things, when market opened, it was at minus 75,000. From minus 75,000, I made plus 7,800 and additional 4,000 rupees from intraday trading. So if I calculate entirely, it is 84k profit. But if I just show you the non, because yesterday trade when I closed it, that will not be reflecting today. It will show you minus 75k. Then you will be thinking, what is this minus 75k? But it is not actually minus 75k. Already I booked 62,000 the previous day, and the erosion for the day was about some 10,000 rupees because there was one holiday. Some 10,000 rupees erosion was there. So adjustments are needed. You need to close your winning trade and open. And the mistake people do is they will close the position. Suppose PE is in profit, they will close PE and then buy another PE. But that's not how you should do. What you should do is whichever strike you wanted to close, you should select that strike and then put it as sell order and then initiate fresh buy order, execute both at the same time so that you don't lose much. So these are the small things when it comes to adjustment. But with 500 quantities, that is a 20,000 rupees difference. Okay, like 20,000. Just if you wrongly initiate a position, you'll be in a loss of 20,000 rupees. All these blunders I have learned over years of mistakes. Okay, so do not close one position and initiate. If you want to close one particular PE position, create a basket order, sell a PE position, sell order, as well as add a fresh position that you wanted to initiate, execute both at the same time. That's exactly what you're supposed to do. Okay. Relationship between unpredictable. Selvi Velraj, I have already explained it for you. I did that explanation. The P when it falls, it might be no trading equal strikes. Let's say 40,500. C and P were trading at 500 and 600. P was at 550, C was at 610. But when fall happens, 100 points fall happens, the C will depreciate about, say, some 70 points, but P will increase by 100 points. The P will quickly just jump. It doesn't take time. That's the observations. These are minute observations that will change the game. Okay. For years, you will have to watch that to see how these differences can be used to your advantage. Okay, got it. Thanks a lot, sir. At one time, trade in real was very tempting. That's fine. Temptation is good, but giving up is not good, right? You can be tempted. You wanted to take positions. That's a very natural thing. Market is going, movement is happening. Why do you not want to take trade? But you have decided not to trade. That's the discipline. Anand is asking, should I take some CE? Absolutely not. Please don't even think about CE now. Not a good idea. Okay, Sachin Lakra is asking, sir, why Axis Bank is falling after Q3 results are still good, right? Now, this is something people will experience. Maybe, what happens is when the results are good, they are going to just publish the results. The Q3 is already done. Internally, the people who are working in the company, knows that the results are good 1 month before only. They have already taken all the buying. Okay, they have taken all the buying. Now, something, let's say if it was trading at 200 rupees, people would have taken 1 month back only 200 rupees, and then it would have slowly gradually climbed up and reached some 240, 250, like that. When results are published, people will go and do a fresh buying now, and then from 240 it would have reached 260. Now the people who have got at 200 will all be squaring off their positions. Once they are all squaring off, it will come down. So during the results, whether it is positive, negative, doesn't matter. Irrespective of it, there will be first initial jump, and then after that it will be falling. That's one of the common things that you can observe in equity results. Yeah. So I hope that answered Sachin. Yes, as sir, as you predicted, 2000 points low. Yes, absolutely. When we predicted this fall on Friday, market was trading at 42,700. And nobody would have believed if I said 2000 fall is going to come. And 3 days later, we are seeing 2000 points. That's very good. Okay, so Bhargav has made 7K with just two lots. Is extremely happy. I am also so happy to see that. Very good. Let me know, please. Yesterday also I lose 8K. See, Anand, one thing I'll tell you. Suppose you take another bad trade and you lose another 8K today, how will it affect you? You think about it, right? Yesterday's loss, you should forget it. Okay? I'll tell you how you can recover this. Wait for the right opportunities. We will be easily recovering it. Okay? Just don't get excited. Just because market is moving doesn't mean that you should enter and then recover all the losses today. Give yourself some time. I'll tell you one good option. Okay, just a moment. I think tea is ready. One moment. Hello. Yeah, yeah, just 1 minute. Mm. Okay, I'll just grab a quick cup of tea and come back. Okay, just 1 minute. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Oh, um, all right, I'm back. Please suggest me put options lowest price. Lowest price means you should be only taking OTM prices. So that's not something I would advise. Uh, oh my God, what a fall, guys! What a fall! Bleeding it is. It is bleeding actually. I think 40K is where you can expect now. Very much unclats. And what I can suggest is let's initiate a fresh straddle with proper edging. I will need some about 5 minutes of time to create a fresh position. I need to see because market has fallen 2000 points and budget is pending 800 points fall. There is a support zone. So not 800 points, 300 points. There is a support zone. If it breaks, then we have another 2,300 points of fall, but for which results should not be favorable. If results are favorable, then there will be a jump happening. Hmm. With that, we have to create now, right? So you need to really slow down and then create them. We should not be really hasty. Let's look at OI data. OI data is completely blasted, like blasted. Uh, okay, let's do it. Month end straddle again. Let's go for it. I don't want to play in very high premiums. What I wanted is hmm, 41K premium. Let me create 41,500. I will go for strangle this time because market has already moved so much. I don't want to invest too much now. I want to keep it 1,000 rupees, 1,100. That will be easy to catch. So if I do this and remove the other trades, now oh, these are deep OTMs, so taking time. 40K and 41K. Let's do that and see. Down, up. Hmm. So previously, what did I close? One second, let me check it. I closed 41K, is it? Wanted to be sure. 41K. 41P and 41C of second. And oh, this is very good. So I have not taken a 41,000 CE, so I can initiate that. And 41P I have already initiated in the past. That's trading at what price? Oh, 40,000 P. I've already initiated that as well. Mm. I want it to be a very clean strike, which I have not played at all, so that I know it's a fresh position. That's why I'm taking a little bit time. I want to enter into a strike in which I have not played, but at the same time, it should not be deep OTM. So maybe I can try March month expiry. I think that's a good idea. March month I can try. Wait a second. Let me go for March month and see how it's responding now. March month is 41,000 C is a 1,200 rupees. No, I would go for 41,500. Yeah, this is good. March month. But will the premium appreciate so much? That's what I'm thinking. No, pointless. I should try this month only because I'm option buyer. I don't have to really go. Now I am doing option buyer role and writing for edging. So I should stay in the current month. So if there is a 5,000 point move, this looks pretty good. Both the strikes are fresh. Isn't it? 41,500 C. 41,500 C I have played. So I will go to 40. Oh, 41,000 I should go then. This looks good. Okay, let's enter in and then we will decide about adjustments. So I'm going in and I took 41,000 call and 40,000 put. Both I have taken. Okay. And I should keep this and I probably have to note it down because this is a new trade now. Altogether, I want to see this as a completely fresh trade and then approach it. Just allow me a moment. I want it to be a fresh trade. So I need to note it down in my Excel sheet somewhere. 31,000. Yeah, here. Order history. Yeah, I took it at 773 and 763. So I will write it down. 73, 774. Okay. So is the Excel sheet. New straddle. strategy initiated on 27th 23 and 41,000 CE initiated at, so yeah, 500 quantities initiated at um, C it's 763.5, 763.5. Then 40,000 PE 500 initiated at 774, 774, right? So what is the capital deployed? Let's do that. 3 lakhs plus 3 lakhs total. Um, okay, now I have invested 7.7 lakhs now into this straddle. Okay, so if it breaks, it's good. If it doesn't break, it's fine. How? Okay, what is the total theta decay? I need to calculate that as well. So it's massive rally. Can we enter CE now? No, please don't enter into CE. I'm repeating it countless number of times. Guys, please don't get into CE. You will lose money big time. Now what's happening? 2,000 points have fallen. 2,400 points have fallen. Right? Now, even if the market moves up, CE will not appreciate much. The sentiments have changed. Please understand, market psychology is going to drive the prices. Oh, wow. Go for straddle. Why to take chance? It's your money, right? Who will protect your money? You have to protect your money. And how can you protect it? Go both the sides. If you have good capital, go both the sides. Do some sort of writing. Now, what is my logic? Why I am initiating this new straddle? My total capital deployed in dollars is fine. How much I am investing? 1,537 rupees I have invested. I am adding both the premiums. 1,500 rupees I am investing. Now, what I have to do is, can I earn this 1,500 points in next 1 month? That's what I should be thinking. And how can I do that? I can initiate certain writing positions and get those premium so that it's taken care of. Maybe now itself I can employ some writings. Because one candle you see green and then next candle you see red, you will be like confused, like, why did I even enter into this trade? Like that, you will feel bad. So don't unnecessarily take risk. You have done your job. Fresh. Okay, I will initiate certain writings now for my. So, so this is how I think. Okay, now 4 weeks for the expiry and 1,600 points. Let's keep it with all the brokerage. God. Okay, so 1,500 points I have to capture, and 4 weeks left, correct? So 400 points a week, can I cover it so that my straddle becomes free? That's how I think. Now all I have to do is to look for ways to get those points. What's happening there? 67. Okay, I'm going to do some writings of current week. Correct. This, this, then 100 points. Maybe I will go ahead and then execute first. Yeah, trade all, place with market, done. Correct. And now, correct. Now I should execute one more time. Trade, place at all at market, done. Now check how much I have. Pretty cool. And open and builder, still there. Okay. So here now I wanted 6 lots. Trade, place all at market. Completely edged. And how many points I am covering? 200 points I am covering now. Okay. Suppose what I'm doing right now. Let me explain. Let me explain what I am trying to do. Okay. If there is a breakout, if there is another 1,000 points breakout on any side, my straddle will give me profit. That's the reason why I initiate the straddle, correct? But there is a possibility that the market will stay here, maybe 200 points, 300 points. Then my straddle will lose money. In order to win that, what I am doing is I am doing a distant OTM, very far OTMs. 200 points I have written. Okay, 100 points on CE side, 100 points on PE side. Suppose there is a breakout and going there, then I am naturally in profits. Okay, if it is not breaking out, if it is staying there, then this 200 points is coming to my account. Correct. My investment is only 1,300 rupees. Monday again, I enter in. Again, I uh, close that profits and then again initiate new writings and then keep making those 100 points, 100 points, 100 points. 15 days I will be able to recover all my 1,500 points. Once I have invested only 1,500 points, forget about the lot size. 1,500 points, CEI bought at 750 rupees, PEI bought at 750 rupees. 1,500 points I have spent from my pocket. Now I am trying to win it by writing. So if every day I am winning 100 points, 100 points, 100 points, then in 15 days my capital is taken out. So the straddle becomes free. Even if the expiry is happening on that, and then it becomes zero, my capital is protected. That's exactly what I am doing right now. If you are confused what I am doing, this is exactly what I am doing right now. So let's check. Oh, so covered my loss, made 4,177 profit. Thanks, Mimo X triple one. That is 13. Mimo 13. Many congratulations. I'm happy for you. Really great job. From loss you came to profits and not just small profits. 4,000 rupees, good money. Please enjoy the day. which strike is best for straddle as of now. See, initiating a straddle is never a problem, but you should have enough capital to do adjustments. If you don't have enough capital, straddle will also be giving you loss. Okay, so Malikarjun, my suggestion is, if you have 3 lakhs in your account, anybody for that matter, you should initiate uh, 2 lots straddle, both 2 lots straddle, and then distant OTM writings. That you should do. Okay. Loss today, Manan Patel. Why loss? When did you join the stream? We have been screaming from the morning that there is another 500 points fall today and all, 400 points fall. At this juncture only, we said we have more fall waiting. I don't know how you made loss. Very sorry to hear that. So yeah, you're welcome, Anand. What's your view on this? Okay, basket order is good. Ellen Kumar, taking very short range. Very short range you are trying to cover. 41,200 writings. It's not going to really help you. My suggestion is that go for writings of about 100 points range. That is the smart thing to do. Because if the straddle breaks out, this writings will take away your profit. See, when the why we are initiating a writing position, just to eliminate the theta decay. If today market is not moving and it is stuck in a 200 points range from this level and it's not breaking out, then you will lose money. Just to avoid that loss, we are initiating a writing position. But the writing position should not be so big that even if the breakout of straddle happens, that we are not earning anything, right? So it's a balance that you should bring. This is not the strike you should choose. You should choose strikes of about 100 points worth, 120 points worth. So both sides 100 points means you are getting 200 points, right? So that's what you should focus. And look at the strikes you have chosen. 40,500 CE is 1,000 rupees. PE is 940 rupees. 2,000 rupees you are investing. 2,000 points. 2,000 points you be able to cover in a month. It's a big deal. 1,500 points I have the confidence to capture, so I am initiating. But 2,000 points will you be able to cover? Very big risk. I would suggest you go for 41,000 CE and 40,000 PE and initiate 120 rupees strikes as writing. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, you're welcome, Ellen Kumar. Yeah. That, taking that 15 minutes to understand and then reflect upon and then initiating a strategy is very good, because if you do that, easily you will be making good profits. But if you closed one order within the order time is like 12:08 and then 12:10 you have a fresh position, definitely you are going to lose money. When you have made a good profit, give yourself that order, last executed order to fresh executed order, give yourself some 10 to 15 minutes time, so that think, process what's happening in the market, and then be strategical, right? um, Covered my loss, 700 rupees profit. Darshan Telecom 2013, fantastic. Okay. Really good. uh, so please advise why also only paper trading. See, why only paper trading is, let's see, you're new to straddle, right? And supposedly you have initiated a profit. First time you will hear me and then go and initiate a profit. Supposedly, let's say you initiated a straddle here, market fell, You are in a very big profit now. Yeah, fine. But again, what you will do, you will close this and initiate a fresh straddle here. You will go very aggressive. And I'll show you one example. Just yesterday, when what happened, you will see. This was the massive fall. And here it consolidated for the whole day, right? Here your straddle would have gone for a big loss. And now you will be like really scolding me. What stupid strategy is this? You have made my loss bigger and all these things. So that's the reason. uh, if you know what's happening here, do you know what to do? If the market is in this range, not going up, do you know what to do? How to recover your straddle losses? That's what I am doing. That's what I am doing with writing. If the market is staying here, I'm writing something like 43,000 CE and 40,000 sorry 38,500 PE. Though they are trading at 100 rupees or something, I'm writing that and collecting those 100 points to equate my losses that I am getting. Are you getting it? Oh, where did it go? My God. Where is the graph gone? Everything disappeared. Oof. All right, I think I made some mess. Let's go to Nifty and come back here to Bank Nifty and see where has it gone. Oh God! Wait a sec. I will try to. Okay. I will switch this to, yeah. This is better, and I can close this. All right. Uh, So, Jathan, why are we watching Ekinashi candle? Uh, oh, I am sharing the entire screen. No, so I am testing another strategy there. So that is only for my purpose. Okay, Jathan, you can ignore that. I am doing some sort of analysis, and if that is successfully going on, then I will share it in the group. Just it's in the testing phase. Mm-hmm. Very good. I think, 130, 150. Kind of still aggressive, but it's completely fine. This is fine. This is fine. You can check the payout graph, Ellen Kumar. You can check the payout graph to see the risk. Okay, but this is a good straddle. No problem. Yeah. My God, 38,500 is at 150 rupees, is it? Unbelievable. Hmm. Okay. So, for those guys who wanted to see something interesting, I'll share something here. Okay, just see this, guys. This is my payout graph. Okay. Crazy, isn't it? This is my payout graph. If maximum loss is this 14,000 and maximum profit is 4 lakhs, look at the payout, right? It's really a good one. Just thought, are you guys able to see my screen? I'm not asking about the trading view, guys. I'm asking somebody here. Yeah. So that's the reason why I'm writing. See, I've written 500 quantities of writing. Wherever it goes, I'm happy. So it's good. Anyway, I'll stop sharing and then reshare my screen now. Mhm. Where is the graph gone? Okay. Oh no, not this. Mhm. Yeah, this is the one I wanted to share. Yeah, gap should be filled. See, any gaps that's not filled will be filled later. It may happen now or it may not happen. For example, I will show you something. Where is that? Maybe we can shift to single window so that the analysis is much stronger. I will show you some examples. Like you see this, like you see this gap here. Okay, there was a gap here, right? And that gap was filled on the next day, and then it was tested again on the next day, and then it got broken on the next day. So this is the filling that has happened in the past. There are certain gaps that's not yet filled. For example, this gap, you see this one, this is a huge gap, right? This gap is not yet filled. And let's go and draw here, from here to here, and then go the side, right side. You see, this was never filled, correct? And these are the gaps that will be filled now. So you will see this gap getting filled in due course. Where is the market now? It went all the way, danced all the way, and then it is right now here. Now you see, today it filled that gap. We drew that one and then we came back. See, never it was filled in the past. This was all like no candles you could see. And now what's happening? It is filling that. And when did that happen in the past? It happened in the month of October. October 20th, 19th, something like that, it happened. And it is filling it today. That's what will happen. Any gap that's getting created need not be necessary that it has to be filled today or this week itself. Sometimes it takes months to come and fill. But when it takes months to come and fill, this is how it will fill. It will fall in 2 days. 2,500 points will fall. That's the worst thing. If the gaps are not filled on the same week, then months later it will fill in 2 days, right? So that's what we are seeing now. Let's shift to 5 minutes candle to draw more information. Again, hmm, somebody is annotating on my screen. Please remove that. Manan Patel, is buying a call option at this level good idea? No. Why I say no? It's not just no simply for the sake of saying no. I didn't say that. I'll tell you why. Okay, let's go to 15 minutes candle to understand it better. Right now, I'll extend this now to this point. This is where market has come. Right now, what you can expect at the max, market closed here yesterday. It has gone and made a low here. Now Fibonacci retracement is at 40,700. So people might be thinking, okay, what if it recovers till 40,700? Yes, possibility. But just like the gaps, it can be filled on the same week, or it can be filled on the next week, or it can be filled the next 6 months later or 1 year later. Similarly, yes, this is the fall. It can go to 38 percentage level, which is here, but not necessarily today. It might consolidate here and then maybe give a gap up tomorrow here or here, and then again come down. So I cannot be suggesting you to enter into CE side when the market has clearly told everyone that it is falling. Why should I recommend a CE position, right? If you want to take some chance, then go for a straddle. You have some capital, edge it properly, collect minimize your risk. Taking a CE and then expect one candle like this. Like, let's explore the length of this candle. Okay, this is one of the decent reds. See, this is all consistent. This is too big. I will ignore that. Let's see the length of this candle alone. What? See, if I go by the length of this candle, this is 200 points. If there is a sorry, if there is a 200 point fall, what will happen to your CE? You think about it. That's why I'm not suggesting you to go for CE. Where you can take fresh entry for PE. See, for intraday players, my God, who is annotating my screen? Just a moment. Uh, Disable annotation for others, and then yeah, good. Where you can enter fresh PE positions. See, that's again a risky thing. But if you want some sort of suggestions, enter at this level. Now, when the market reaches here, go for one lot of PE. If it reaches here, go for the second lot. If it goes here, go for the third lot. And the averaging has to be done in a sequential way. One lot here, two lots here. Like that, you should do. Only then you will minimize your loss. Don't take if you have 1 lakh capital, don't take 50 percentage of position here, 50 percentage here, and then when it reaches here you will have no cash, so you will be making big loss. So wait for that. Okay, because it's a clear sell on rise market. Any I will explain what is sell on rise market. See, it had fallen, it rose a little bit, then it fell down, then it rose a little bit and then it fell down, then it rose a little bit and then it fell down. So every time that you see a green candle, it's getting sold off, right? That is called a sell on rise market. So when you see a fresh green candle, that's when you should enter it, right? So thanks for all the boost, guys. I see 18 people have boosted the stream. That's very nice. The more we reach, we are able to have different perspectives, different questions. So I really appreciate. Now this is why we are going for writing. Now what happened? Let's see. It has entered in this. Then from there it went up, and then it might come here again, and probably it might trade in the zone itself, right? Now, if it trades here for about say 2 hours, and